What if your implant disappeared once it was no longer needed? No extra surgery, no surprises. In this video, we unwrap the next big leap in orthopedics: biodegradable and bioactive implants that heal, then quietly vanish. Welcome to Ortho Implants for Life, where we unpack orthopedic tech minus the jargon. If you're curious about the future of healing, stick around. Disclaimer: this isn't medical advice, just fascinating science. Why this breakthrough matters. Traditional implants, steel, titanium, ceramics, are built to last. But once your bone heals, they often stick around, sometimes causing pain, infection, or needing another surgery for removal. Biodegradable implants? They do their job and then dissolve. No extra surgery, fewer complications, better outcomes. What are biodegradable and bioactive implants? Definition: devices made from materials that safely break down in the body over time. Key materials: polymers, PLA, PGA, PLGA. Degradation rates customized via composition. Metals, magnesium-based alloys that gradually corrode and may even stimulate bone regrowth. Composites, polymers blended with bioactive ceramics like hydroxyapatite. Bioactivity, coatings and materials, e.g., beta, T, CP. Bioactive glass, bioglass, 45S5, encourage bone bonding and natural regeneration. Real-world breakthroughs. Polymers with precision. Evanix Rhizomer platform offers tunable biodegradable implants for varied clinical needs. Magnesium alloys in clinical use. Examples like Magmaris by Biotronic offer gradual degradation with bone support benefits. Surgeon preferences: 72% favor tunable degradable implants. PLA, 3D printed implants, 41% with patient-specific designs showing 94% osseointegration in trials. Market momentum and India's role. Global growth projected to expand from about $7.07 billion in 2025 to nearly $10 billion by 2030. Orthopedic subset, growing from $350 million in 2024 to $1.2 billion by 2033, at approximately 15% CAGR. India's market: orthopedic biomaterials valued at $775 million in 2023, expected to grow to $1,520 million by 2030. 10% CAGR. Ceramics and bioactive glass-led revenue. Polymers fastest growing. What's driving the shift? No second surgery. That's less risk, less cost, faster recovery. Better integration. Bioactive coatings and nanostructures boost bone bonding and reduce implant loosening. Smart design. Biodegradation rates can now be engineered to match healing timelines. Challenges and the road ahead. Degradation control. Implants must remain strong enough while supporting healing. Timing is key. Regulatory hurdles. Bodies like FDA and EMA are developing new pathways for approval. New tech, IoT-integrated implants, AI-driven designs, and additive manufacturing are next frontier tech today. Sustainability and cost. Though more expensive now, biodegradable options reduce long-term healthcare burden. Why this matters for you? Patients. Less pain, fewer surgeries, faster return to normal life. Surgeons, fewer follow-ups, cleaner cases, better long-term outcomes. Healthcare systems, lower total cost, improved patient satisfaction, scalable innovation. So next time you see an implant, remember, the future isn't about something that lasts forever. It's about something that vanishes when its job is done, making healing easier, safer, and smarter. Biodegradable and bioactive implants. Not just a surgical fix, but liberation in bone form.
If you have enjoyed the video, like it, share it, and if you are new to our channel, subscribe it. Hit the bell icon to get notifications for all our upcoming videos. Join us to excel in this orthopedic implant industry and to know more about the job and career growth which is available in this industry. Thank you. See you again next week.